Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us discuss one question where shares are issued at par and there is forfeiture of shares. Let us read question. Medhi Industries Company Limited issued 15,000 equity shares. So 15,000 equity shares is a size of issue of rupees 100 each, payable as follows: on application 20, on allotment 30, first call 25, second call 25. We can add these. It is rupees 100, that is issue is at par. The company received application for 12,000 shares. Size of issue is 15,000 shares. Application received is for 12,000 shares. That means there is under subscription. All the applications were accepted and shares were allotted. The company made both the calls, that is first call and second call. One shareholder holding 400 shares failed to pay final call. His shares were forfeited. Pass journal entries in the books of Medhi Industries Company Limited. Here we are required to note that size of issue is 15,000 equity shares, but company has received application only for 12,000 shares. Therefore, all accounting entries will be relating to 12,000 shares. One shareholder who is holding 400 shares, he has failed to pay final call. That means he has paid application amount, he has paid allotment amount, he paid first call amount. There is default on second or final call. Second or final call is of rupees 25. Number of shares held by him is 400. So 400 shares, on every share 25 rupees. So total amount of calls in arrears rupees 10,000. This will be recorded at the time of final call and consequently his shares are forfeited. Let us draw journal. Company received applications for 12,000 shares. This will be first stage of recording journal. On application, company receives 20 rupees. Bank account debit 12,000 shares, per share 20 rupees, 2,40,000. To equity share application account 2,40,000. Company has received application amount. This amount will be now transferred to share capital account. That will be the next entry. Equity share application account debit 2,40,000. To equity share capital account 2,40,000. Being share application amount transferred to equity share capital account. Here we have completed application stage. Let us proceed for allotment stage. On allotment, company demands 30 rupees per share. These 30 rupees will be demanded on 12,000 shares. Company sends allotment letter and records entry for allotment amount due. Equity share allotment account debit 12,000 multiplied by 30, 3,60,000. To equity share capital account 3,60,000. Being allotment amount rupees 30 due on equity share. Company received this allotment amount from all shareholders. So next entry will be for recording allotment amount received from shareholders. Bank account debit 3,60,000 to equity share allotment account 3,60,000, being equity share allotment amount received from all shareholders. Here we have completed allotment stage. Let us proceed for next stage, that is share first call stage. Share first call is rupees 25. That means from every shareholder, company demands 25 rupees of first call. Company sends letter to all shareholders and records entry for first call amount due. Equity share first call account debit on 12,000 shares 25 rupees per share 3 lakhs to equity share capital account 3 lakhs, being equity share first call due rupees 25 per share. Company makes first call and shareholders, they make payment of first call. Company has received first call amount from all shareholders. So our next entry will be for receiving amount of first call from shareholders. Bank account debit 3 lakhs to equity share first call account 3 lakhs, being first call amount received from shareholders. Here we have completed first call stage. Let us proceed to final call. Final call amount is rupees 25. Company demands second and final call from all the shareholders and records an entry for final call amount due. Equity share second and final call account debit 3 lakhs to equity share capital account 3 lakhs, being equity share second and final call amount due. One shareholder holding 400 shares failed to pay final call. His shares were forfeited. We have calculated call in arrears amount on his 400 shares, final call 25 rupees, it comes to 10,000. Company failed to receive this amount, but it has received amount from remaining shareholders. Bank account debit 2,90,000. Call in arrears account debit 10,000 to equity share second and final call account 3 lakhs, being equity share second and final call amount received and calls in arrears recorded. Finally, company forfeited those 400 shares. Entry for forfeiture will be equity share capital account debit 400 shares, till now 100 rupees called up, so 400 multiplied by 100, 40,000. To calls in arrears account, at the time of final call, calls in arrears were 10,000, so to calls in arrears 10,000. To share forfeiture account 30,000. This is an amount which shareholder has paid so far, which will not be returned to him as a punishment at the time of forfeiture. This becomes profit of the company, capital profit. It is credited to share forfeiture account, being 400 shares forfeited for non-payment of final call. Here we have completed all journal entries. Before forfeiture of shares, company is required to send various reminders to the shareholder for payment of calls in arrears, and finally company is required to give notice of forfeiture. So it's a long process before cancellation of shares. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.